Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, northeastern Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, central Boone County, until 10:30 p.m. At 10:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near DILLSBORO, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rising Sun, Burlington, Union, French, Hartford, Bear Branch, Aberdeen, Pate, North Landing, and Farmers Retreat. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.